Does your v and your w come out sounding the same? You're not alone. Many ESL learners have trouble with these sounds. But by the end of this video, you'll hear the difference and feel it in your mouth. And be sure to stick around to the end for an extra special challenge. It'll give your tongue a workout, I promise. Can you handle it? I'm sure you can. Tricky English pronunciation. V versus w. Master English v versus w sounds in 10 minutes. Today we're tackling one of the trickiest pairs for many learners, the v sound and the w sound. Are you ready to learn how to master these sounds? Let's go. First, let's look at your lips and teeth. For the v sound, put your top teeth gently on your bottom lip. V. Push air out. It's a voiced sound, so your throat will vibrate. Say, v. Got your finger there? You can feel that vibration. V. For the w sound, round your lips like you're blowing a kiss. No teeth. You glide into a vowel. It's also voiced. Say wah, wah. So there's a big difference in how these two sounds are pronounced. V. Teeth plus lip. V. W. Rounded lips, no teeth. Let's feel it. V. 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 Very. W. W. Would. Now, let's hear the difference with minimal pairs, words that change only this sound. As you listen, try to hear the difference. V has friction with the teeth. W is smooth. The lips are used instead of the teeth. Vet, a doctor for animals. Wet, opposite of dry. Vest, a piece of clothing. West, direction on a compass. Vine, that's a kind of plant. Wine, fermented grape juice. Veil, thin cloth worn on a woman's head. Wail, a long, sad cry. Vow, a solemn promise. Wow, word used to show surprise. Van, small kind of truck. Wan, pale, unhealthy looking. Very, extremely. Wary, cautious. Vain, unsuccessful. Wane, become weaker. Okay, time to speak. I'll say a word, and then you repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. Vowel. Window. very, west, vote, wonder, vivid, wobble, revive, water, shave, wood, arrive, wander. Bonus challenge, weave. This word starts with w, but has a v in the middle, so it's a little tricky. Great job. If you felt your teeth for v and rounded lips for w, you're golden. All right, quiz time. I'll say a word and you write if it's v or w. Are you ready? Here we go. Vine, v, well, w, vow, v, veal, v, welt, w. How did you do? If you got 4 or 5, you're a pronunciation pro. If you missed a few, no problem. Just keep practicing with the sentences in this video, or make your own example sentences. Now, as I promised, here's the extra bonus, the tongue twister challenge. These 4 tongue twisters will help you practice v and w. They're great for articulation and fluency. Try practicing them first slowly and then gradually increase speed. It's also helpful if you record yourself while you practice these. Wendy's very wobbly violin vibrates wildly. Wendy's very wobbly violin vibrates wildly. Vivian's vivid view of the waving waves was very wondrous. Vivian's vivid view of the waving waves was very wondrous. Weave the velvet vest with velvet thread. Very, very well. Weave the velvet vest with velvet thread. Very, very well. Walter's wavy vest vanished when the wind blew very violently. Walter's wavy vest vanished when the wind blew very violently. Practice these tongue twisters slowly at first, then gradually speed up. Record yourself to hear your progress. If you can master these, you'll be a pronunciation pro. Congrats! You now own the V and W sound. Practice with a friend. Say very well and well done. Feel that switch. If you like this video, you'll probably also like this video popping up on the screen now. If you learned something, share this video with a friend and give us a thumbs up. Hit that bell and subscribe for more videos to help you master English. Check out the playlist here for more pronunciation tips. If this video helped you, comment, "I've mastered V and W." See you next time. Keep speaking English and have fun. Subscribe to Club English for more.